cantar, né? Para ladrar.
Hello, Mr. Pacheco.
Olá. How are you? Thank you, very nice.
Thank you. New battery, everything okay. Look at this new mod that I've made. Thank you, Nathanael, for this new mod. It was made with love and cherish and a lot of pancake. See, it was Nathanael that made this.
Shit happens.
Now let's see what we have for lunch.
Over here?
Over here we have a beautiful chamus from Portugal.
Made by an Indian.
Made by an Indian guy. Take one chamus, mister. One chamus, mister.
Just wait. Thank you.
Rui, one chamus. Now we wait.
Chamus.
Avec les mãos todas cagadas.
Let's have lunch.
Yeah. Let's
Chamus.
Let's chamus. Very good. Tastes like.
Essa foi
Tu vas tomber. Tu vas tomber.
Olha os pezinhos.
Garantize.